Laying low, no place to go.
That's very intimidating. I noticed that you don't wear makeup anymore. I mean, you're quite different from the person I knew before you got married.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again, Talk with Persh. It's your favorite girl. And on today's movie for the day, we have the movie Healing Energy. Where to watch this movie? You can watch it at Uchenna Umbanobo TV. And this movie is starring Fine Boy Clinton Joshua, Alex Cross, Lydia Nze, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. Now, as I always say, I bring you guys movies with character, movies that you learn lessons. And for today's movie, I have 4 basic lessons which you can learn from the movie. Number one, don't be too quick to wish for somebody's life. You don't know the hidden battles they have to fight. No other glitters is gold. Second lesson is remove the plague from your eyes before you try to remove it on somebody else's eyes. Okay? And judging someone for somebody's past in the present, I don't know what kind of person you are. Third lesson is for women that come into another married woman's house to take control. Your reward is waiting for you in front because the hand they touch Peter, go touch Paul. Now, the fourth lesson is revenge is a dish best served cold. When the repercussion of your actions come, hope you can stand. Now, we've come to the end of the lessons. As usual, this is the point where I tell you guys to please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription will always be free. Okay, and also please don't forget to hand over to Uchenna Umbanobo TV to watch this amazing movie. Then come back, thank me, come back, and also tell me what you learned from the movie. Okay, uh, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Mwah.